This is a quick tutorial with another way to check authorizations for scheduling time with a client. When you're in your calendar window, you can go ahead and click in an area to create an appointment. Confirm that you want to create the appointment on that date. Select your time window that you want the appointment to be at. Choose who the appointment is going to be with. We're going to change our appointment type, in this case to direct care. Changing our place of service in the home. And here where we click the authorization and we pick an authorized code, the options that come up, in this case I add in my notes that the authorization includes 624 units. But more importantly is this show utilization. All employees should have access to this, and if you expand this, this will tell you that this code is authorized for 624 units within this period, July 3rd through January 3rd. The remaining number of units available to be scheduled are 225 units. So in this case, if we use this code, we shouldn't have any problems with the schedule. We scroll down, create the appointment, and view it on the calendar. As you can see here, there are no error messages and no warnings. The reason why this is important is if you're concerned about running out of authorized hours, you might want to check that. You can look at the part 1 of checking authorizations to see another way to look at authorizations, but this is a way to quickly look when you're creating the appointment to make sure you're not going to be going over and having red flags, or in this case actually triangles with exclamation points all over your calendar.